right, now what we need to do is make the three shapes that are on the activity or on the plate. So the first shape is a pentagon, and then there's a hexagon, and then there's a equilateral triangle. So if I start with a pentagon, that pentagon is supposed to be circumscribed around a circle, but Onshape actually calls that something different. So let me show you what I mean by that. You'll notice if you look at the icons up here, there's a circumscribed polygon, which means that the polygon is circumscribed inside the circle. So it's circumscribed by a circle is probably a better way to say that. And then the other one has a circle inside of it. And so technically it's the circle that's inscribed, not the polygon. So I'm going to use what's called an inscribed polygon on here, and I'm going to form a pentagon. All right, so I'm actually going to just make it out here. So I'm going to tap right there, and then I'm going to tap here, and then if I rotate one finger, it'll go through all the different numbers of sides that I want. I want a pentagon, so I'm going to go with 5 sides. All right, so far this hasn't been dimensioned at all, it's just kind of there. If you notice in your instructions, they say that they want this to be a 0.35 radius pentagon, and we need to do that by doing a dimension. So I won't be able to do radius, I actually have to tap on the circle and do a diameter. So to do a little bit of math and do 0.7, which is 2 times 0.35, and that'll give us our pentagon.